Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine. Now friends, in this video I will show you the Shiba token price in the 2025. What's the price of Shiba token in 2025? We discuss, we decide on the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of previous changes occur. So keep watch this video till the end friends, and if you are new to my channel, so please make sure to subscribe Abhi's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates friends. Now friends, let's start the video. First of all, we talk about the currently at this time price of Shiba token and the price change. After that, we decided what's the price of Shiba token in 2025 friends. As you can see here, if we look the price change occur at this time in the Shiba token, so at this time price is 0.000015 USD dollar friends, and if we look the price change occur in the Shiba token, so as you can see here, the price change and the last 1 hour price change is negative, except after the last 1 hour, last 1 day and the last 1 week, the price change is going very highly positive friends. So absolutely it's a good news for all of you Shiba token. Let's see the price chart for more details and for better understanding friends. As you can see here, that is the last 1 day friends. If we look the last 1 day price change occur in the Shiba token, so 126.31% positive change occur in the Shiba token in the 24-hour friends. So friends, let's suppose if this kind of change continues in the Shiba token throughout this year, only this year this kind of change continue in the Shiba token. So I hope that they can easily head approximately they can hit 3 USD dollar friends. 3 USD dollar Shiba token had if this kind of change continue and Shiba token throughout this year friends, throughout 2021 friends. Anyways, we talk about the price of Shiba token in 2025. So let's see the whole changes occur in the Shiba token. Let's see the last 1 year price change occur in the Shiba token friends. As you can see here friends, oh my god, I can't count this price change occur in the Shiba token in only, as you can see here, the Shiba token as announced launch in the, I think in the April. So that is why, as you can see here, they take a jump in a very less time, and as you can see here, at this time a very biggest unbelievable jump occur in the Shiba token. I'm very excited to see this change occur. So friends, if this kind of change continues in the Shiba token, so I think that in the 2025 the Shiba token as the second Bitcoin friends. My prediction is that if this kind of change continue, as you can see here, this one I can't count this change occur, so approximately they can easily hit 50 is very low USD dollar. I think that they can easily hit 120 150 USD dollar friends, 120 or 150 USD dollar friends if this kind of change continue throughout this 4 years friends. So the day is not sure that Shiba token as the next Bitcoin friend. What's your prediction about Shiba token? Please share in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe Abhi's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video friends.